What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the journey. Quick video for you to show you just how easy it is to replace a taillight on these Ford Explorers. Diagnose and fix the taillight issues. We'll jump right into it. What we're going to do is just remove these two screws here. So once you get your two screws out, make sure you keep track of them, don't lose them. Use two hands, one here, and then at first I had it like here until I got it partially out, and then I went down here. Get a little upward leverage. It's going to be difficult because you got these two screw type deals that go into these little inserts here. Doesn't make a great noise. So to uninstall the lights, all you got to do is twist them to the left and pull them out. And then to check them to see if they're burnt out, all you got to do is look at the filament here, just these little wires inside of there. If there's no breaks and it's complete all the way around, then it's still a good light. To remove the light bulb from the socket, all you got to do is just pull it straight out. Just like that, it comes out. To put it back in, you just push it in. Little snap there, make sure it's good and secure. And the different bulbs you have from top to bottom is your blinker on top, your running and brake light in the middle, and reverse light on the bottom. Part number for this one is 3157 for the blinker. 3157K for the running and brake light, and GE 3157 for the reverse light. I found my issue in a very unsuspecting place. It's actually in the connection itself. You can see there on the wire, it's got burn marks in the connection. So the filament itself is actually perfectly fine, but it's not supposed to be burnt like that. It's supposed to look like that. So we popped a new bulb in there and we are good to go. And to reinstall this, it's going to be just the opposite. Just going to take your bulb, stick it in there, line it up. And instead of twisting to the left, you'll twist right this time. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Get your screws lined up, your top lined up, and then good to go. Take your screws, stick them back in. Snug but not over tight because you're screwing into plastic, so you don't want to strip it. You can always come back later and check them. They're right here. And we're done. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Be sure to drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to support this channel. If you need any replacement parts, go ahead and click the link down in the description. I'll have everything linked down there. Have a great day. God bless you. Catch you on the next journey.